Today, America has one of the strongest economic systems in the world, but once, everything was much more fragile. Think about it. A bank, which is supposed to shape a country's economic future, can turn into a complete disaster. And that's exactly what America's first bank experienced. In this video, you'll learn why this bank failed, the political struggles behind it, and the lessons that still affect us today. America had gained independence, but economic chaos was still ongoing. The Continental Dollar had collapsed. States were printing their own money. The federal government was weak. In this environment, Alexander Hamilton argued that a strong national bank was necessary. The goals were to provide stability to the federal government, to connect the American economy to a central authority, to gain the trust of both the public and investors. In 1791, the first Bank of the United States was established. At first, everyone was hopeful, but things were not easy at all. The first bank faced three major challenges. People were still affected by the Continental Dollar disaster. Can this bank give us confidence? Was a constant question. States preferred their own currencies. The bank's political independence was being questioned. The establishment of the bank was made through a compromise. But there were serious disputes between northern and southern states. Northern industrialists supported the bank. Southern farmers believed the bank would only serve northern interests and opposed it. The bank system was complex. Loans were mostly given to large investors. Small farmers and tradespeople couldn't get enough support from the bank. Lack of transparency and complicated financial operations eroded public trust. Soon, the problems of the bank became visible. Some states boycotted the bank. Small investors suffered losses. Public opinion started to form the idea that the bank only enriches the elite. Especially in the early 1800s, some loans were not repaid and management mistakes led to major controversies. This situation showed that America's financial system was still fragile. The failure of the first bank was not just an economic loss. Public trust in the banking system was damaged. Power struggles between the federal government and states increased. The need to restore balance between politics and economy arose. But this failure was also a lesson. Without trust, money and the banking system cannot survive. Even though the first bank collapsed, America did not give up. More controlled and centralized banks were established. Institutions like the Federal Reserve System emerged. Today's dollar and banking system were built on top of this first failure. So in fact, America lost its first bank, but gained a much stronger system. The security of the dollar you carry today is built on the crises that happened 200 years ago. A country's first bank was not just about money management. It was about trust and political management. Its failure made America financially stronger and more aware. If the first bank had succeeded, would the dollar system and the Federal Reserve be the same today? So, do you think the dollar would be this strong today if America's first bank had succeeded? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more history and economy stories.